So guess what? Right behind me is the UE female football team. I don't play football, but they're getting ready to start a wicked game. But guess what? Now we're going into the Talent on the Rise segment, and this week we have Dominican reggae artist Oriel. Let's check him out.
I got a warrior spirit, the heart of a lion. Keep my head high and see me walk like a giant. Knowledge is power, maths and science. I make my own way, I never stay compliant. You're mad? No way, no how.
Pree Dis Oriel is an artist from Dominica originally. I do reggae fusion, reggae mostly, mixed with rock, R&B, different elements, and just fuse it into my own and make my own type of music. I'm part of a band, Oriel and the Revoluters, and I call my fans the Revoluters. And we just released a new mixtape called Rise of the Revoluters. So, we hear us promoting a mixtape. And I started music when I was young, playing clarinet and playing drums. I had a little drum band. Me and my friend Jay from Dominica, we had a little drum band, and then built up into a bigger drum band. And then I moved to the States. I picked up the guitar, I played the guitar, then I started producing. I produced for Lamar Clan label, Hype Records label. For a while we produced a good bit of records, and then I started, singing for myself.
Cause the lady by the corner shop stop, take credit and trust, and money stretch end to end, and when you spend, you see it stretch too much. The leaders we electing, they don't care about us. Every day I bang bang, I youth I get brushed.
Growing up I was a very shy person, and still am a very reserved person, so know that I am more confident, doing my own art and bringing it to the people.
Serious, the economy gets so serious, serious, serious. The system it's set so serious, serious, serious. So the warrior spirit gets serious.
I try to do my own thing, People, whether you like it or not, it's just my thing I'm doing, I believe that everybody should follow their own path, and I really try to follow anybody. Just follow your own path. So that's what I bring musically, is just my own take on everything.
Love is the seed you sow, do good, because good is the way to go. I said good is the way to go. Oh. Watch my new name, call me Oriel Ali, cause I float like a butterfly and sting like a bee.
Being a musician, you want to be a successful musician, first of all, and you want to do music that it has a wide appeal to people, to fans, and to get your message across in the best way. You have to do the music that the people will appreciate. So reggae has always been the music that I love. That's the music I listen to on a daily basis. Right now we're promoting a whole mixtape called Rise of the Revoluters. It's a concept mixtape we put together. There's a single on there called Serious that we push in, and Braveheart. Sticks and Stones. There's a bunch of songs in there. I feature Richie Stevens on there, Rain Savella's features on there. Mostly it's pretty much all self-produced, myself and my producer here, Ludwig. We produce the whole thing, mix the whole thing. I do pretty much maybe 90% of the work myself, my own graphics, my own everything. So I have multiple facets.
Serious, serious, the economy gets so serious, serious, serious. The trap where them set so serious, serious, serious. So the warriors have to get serious. We get serious. Whoa, earthquakes, the weather gets strange. Corporate college making corporate slaves. Private prison, so who I get paid. It's serious, it's serious.
It's time for the video premiere for this week, and it's Cool Runnings by Dwayne Stevenson.
Dance all nice, I dance all nice again. I miss a dance all nice, dance all nice again. Roping, come on and tune in. I miss a riding, cause this a rhythm is vital. Check scene, come on and bite in. I miss a rocking, cause this a rhythm is item, and it's a cool runnings. And now that's all I got nice. Yes, it's a cool runnings. That rhythm you add dip like sugar and spices. Cool session is vital, vital. And it's a cool runnings. We all gonna rock till broad daylight. And it's a cool runnings. Behind you we no need to fuss, no fight, yeah. Cool runnings. A long, long time we don't have no nice time. Cool runnings. Let's rock to the rhythm and the drum and the bass line. I said to riding, I said to grooving, riding, juxing. And I this cool runnings. I now dance all of the nights. And it's a cool runnings. The rhythm you a dip like a sugar and spice, yeah. Cool runnings. Just rock with your woman all night long singing. Cool runnings. While the disc jockey play your favorite song. Roping. Come on and tune in. I miss a riding. Cause this a session is vital, vital. Check scene. Come on and bite in. I said to Rocky. Cause this a rhythm is vital, vital. And it's a cool runnings. I now dance all of the nights. Yes, it's a cool runnings. The rhythm you a dip like sugar and spice, yeah. Cool runnings. Just rock with your woman all night long singing. Cool runnings. While the disc jockey play your favorite song.
That was a cool video from Dwayne Stevenson. But right now we're going into our second commercial break. We'll be right back.